Next is the oxidation state 3 of cobalt. In this case, the electronic configuration of cobalt is 3d6. So let us start with the oxide in oxidation state 3. The anhydrous oxide with formula cobalt trioxide does not exist, but hydrous oxide with this formula is precipitated when excess of alkali react with most of cobalt 3 compound, or when cobalt hydroxide in aqueous suspension undergo atmospheric oxidations. Then cobalt 3 fluoride. Cobalt trifluoride is light brown solid which made from cobalt difluoride and fluorine. It is rapidly hydrolyzed or reduced by water. Cobalt trifluoride is isostructural with iron trifluoride. It is commonly used as strong fluorinating agents. Next is the complex of cobalt 3 oxidation state. Plus 3 oxidation state is the most common in case of complexes of cobalt. They form more complexes than the other elements. Cobalt 3 show a particular affinity for nitrogen donor, and majority of complexes contains ammonia, ethylene diamines, nitrogen dioxide, and thiocyanide with nitrogen group as a ligands. Some common example of cobalt 3 complexes are mentioned here. In first case, it will having 6 ammonia ligand. In second case, 5 ammonia and 1 water through oxygen, which can coordinate with the cobalt. 5 ammonia and 1 chloride. And similarly, these are the various complexes of cobalt in 3 oxidation state and are having 6 ligand with octahedral geometries. These complexes may be prepared by oxidation of solution containing cobalt 2 positive with air or hydrogen peroxide in the presence of appropriate ligand and a surface active catalyst such as activated charcoals. Next is the complexes with oxygen donor, and they are generally less stable. But those complexes which are having chelating ligand such as acetylene acetone, this is cobalt 3 complex with acetyl acetones, and this is cobalt 3 complex with oxalate ligand. They are stables. Cobalt nitrate with formula is coordinate through nitrogen, but there is some evidence of existence of isomeric nitritoform with this bridge nitrogen in solution in equilibrium with nitro compound. Cobalt 3 nitrosyl species with this formula having 5 ammonia ligand and 1 nitrosyl ligand has 2 isomeric form, one red and other black. The crystal structure of black form contains mononuclear ions with this formula. With non-linear cobalt nitro group, the red isomer is a dimer containing hyponitrite group in which N2 O2 exists as a bridge. So this is the structure of non-symmetric compound with both cobalt nitrogen bond and cobalt oxygen bond to the hyponitrite. In addition to number of mononuclear amines complexes of cobalt 3, there are a number of polynuclear complexes in which hydroxo, peroxo, amido, amido group function as a bridge. The common example of these ligands are this one, it will having hydroxo as a bridge ligand. In this case, again hydroxo are the bridge ligand, and in this case peroxo is the bridge ligand, and in this case amido group is the bridge ligand. Some other complexes are also known. These are the cobalt 3 complexes with cyno, hexacyno ligand, and this one is with the carbonate pyridines and acetyl acetones. So these are the complexes which are having oxygen as a donor atoms. Then halogen complexes, they are rare, and cobalt hexafluoride is the only hexahalide complex which is known. Cobalt 3 fluoride with this formula is used as a fluorinating agent, and it is obtained by the action of fluorine on cobalt difluoride. So it is all about the oxidation state 3 of cobalt metal.